Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Nora stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, linked half double crochet stitch, and how to work in the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. Now using this half double crochet, we're going to start making linked half double crochets across. Into the last little loop right here of this half double crochet, so this one right here, you're going to insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, then you're going to insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, you're going to have 3 loops, yarn over, take that through all 3 loops. Then you're going to use this loop on this little linked half double crochet to do the same thing. Insert your hook into this loop, grab that yarn, pull it through, insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn, pull it through. You'll have 3 loops, yarn over, take that through all 3. Then you're going to start repeating from this little loop right here. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn, yarn over, take through all 3. And you're going to start repeating. And this is how everything is looking. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. For row 2, we're simply going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch, but we're going to be using the back loop of each stitch. So you're going to turn your work where you're looking at the top of your stitches. These loops on each stitch, at the back of each stitch is the back loop. So you would be working a single crochet into each stitch, but only using that back loop. So it's going to start looking like this, just working single crochets, but working in that back loop only. It's going to create a ridge across our stitches in the front. So you would just make 1 single crochet into each stitch, but remember to only work into those back loops. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. For row 3, we are again going to be working into the back loops, but row 3 is going to be similar to row 1 where we made these linked half double crochets. You're going to start by making a regular half double crochet into the first stitch using that back loop. Then off of this regular half double, we're going to be making those linked half doubles. So insert your hook into this little loop right here off of this half double, grab that yarn, pull it through, Insert your hook into the back loop of the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, take through all 3 loops, then you're going to start repeating that. Insert your hook into the last little loop, grab that yarn, pull it through, insert your hook into the back loop of the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, yarn over, take through all 3. You're going to start repeating that across. And that's how everything is looking. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project, and that is going to be how to make the Nora stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.